If your Google Calendar is cluttered with holiday events and you want a cleaner view, this video is going to show you the quickest way to remove holidays from Google Calendar. Now, just so you know, in most cases, you are not permanently deleting the holiday calendar itself. You are hiding it from view. That means you can bring it back anytime if you change your mind. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look over to the left sidebar. This is where Google lists your different calendars, and you'll want to find the section called Other Calendars. Under that section, look for Holidays. Depending on your account and region, it may show up as Holidays in your country or just Holidays. When you find it, you'll see a little checkbox or colored box next to it. To hide the holiday events, simply uncheck or untick that box. The moment you do that, those holiday entries will disappear from your calendar view, making your schedule look much cleaner and less crowded. This is especially useful if you only want to see your personal events, work meetings, deadlines, or reminders without all the extra holiday labels showing up. If you ever want the holidays back again, just return to the same spot in the left sidebar and check the box again. That will restore the holiday calendar instantly, so the process is really that simple. Go to the left sidebar, open Other Calendars, find Holidays, and untick it to hide it entirely. No complicated settings, no extra tools, and no need to delete anything permanently. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.